If you're on the fence about these MX Fuel tools, I will tell you by experience, the core drill, which I have used many times for drilling through the side of stone and brick and rock foundations and old houses, like this big old farmhouse. Used 1 bar on this smaller battery, handheld, used the tank sprayer for lube. Drilled a 4.5 inch hole. There you go, 4.5 inch for my vent pipe. I think that hole's about 14 inches thick. I'd say all in all it took me about 7 to 8 minutes to go through there. Not bad. It's a good tool. I do like it. It has been very useful for me.